Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. So it had been a long time since I have styled my coffee bar, which is totally not like me in the least. So I figured that to get my mind off of things this week, I wanted to style this coffee bar for spring and Easter. This is one area that I always love decorating because it's all housed in one area. It's right when we walk in the back door. I make coffee here every morning. So it was really just looking very plain before I decided to style it for Easter. So I feel like now that it's all styled out, I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's like an explosion of spring exploded on my coffee bar, which is kind of what I was going for. So I hope you guys enjoy watching today. And I also am going to have a full blog post on everything that I'm using. I shop my home for the most part. Actually, all of it is from my house. So nothing I purchased is new, but I will try to link everything that is still current over my blog as well for you guys to shop. So hope you guys enjoy watching. So whenever I think spring, I always have to have lots of greenery, lots of florals, and because we can't go out and buy like flowers like daily, and I have a cat, I typically like to use faux florals for spaces like this, which there's nothing wrong with. They stay fresh forever. And I like to shop at Hobby Lobby and Michael's for most of my florals and greenery. So that's what I'm doing here, and I just kind of play around with where I'm gonna place things. I don't really have a plan when I go into these things, but I do like to gather stuff around the house and from my decor closet to bring down, so I have a good variety of things to choose from. So as you can see, this little floral arrangement was kind of giving me trouble, but when you're arranging something like this, don't give up, just kind of play around with it. I tried to layer the pieces since it's not going to be seen from the other side. I like to start with the tallest in the back and kind of work my way down, but this arrangement probably took me a good 10 minutes just to get right, so just be patient with it, move them around, fill in the empty spots, and you'll eventually get what you're going for. So after I stepped back and looked at the space, I decided to move the cake plate on the bottom shelf just because I want to have my coffee pods like within reach and I don't have to like bend all the way over. I know that's like hilarious, but I just wanted to make it as functional as possible, so I decided to switch those two things up. And then my favorite part about this coffee bar is that it has chicken wire on the back side of it. And so I decided the perfect thing was to add some blossoms to the back, just kind of hanging there, which I just love. I almost thought, do I need more of them? I was like, no, Robyn, like that's enough florals for one area, but honestly, I could probably fill this whole thing up with flowers and not be upset about it. And of course, no styling video would be without the presence of the great Sunny D. He makes an appearance a few times in my video because he just has to be the center of attention. He just knows I'm doing something and just has to get all up in it. So after filming the styling video for you guys, I figured I deserved a little cup of coffee. It was that time of day and I just felt like I need a little pick me up. I don't know why I turned the label up like that. That's such a weird thing, so weird. But I'm loving this mug. My mom got it for me for my birthday. It says love my peeps, which I'm not a fan of peeps, like the actual like Easter candy, but I do love my peeps, which are you guys. So I always appreciate you watching. So here it is, guys. Lots of florals, lots of greenery, which I think just screams springtime and Easter. I'm so excited for the new season. It's starting to get warmer outside, which I love, like being able to leave the door open in the back, just get some fresh air in. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. And again, like I said, I'll have everything over on my blog today at robynssouthernnest.com. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this cat. He's so crazy. But I really appreciate you guys watching today, and I will talk to you again soon.